I'm going to show you how to create your own AI agents with Prostir. And most important, why do you need that? As you know, I have my own teleprompter and my own format with some kind of guesses how you can perform better on your videos. But this is a format, it's a bit complicated, you have to learn it, and probably you wanna make it with AI. So if you have a script, AI should be able to create TPS script for you. And to do that, you have to every time copy paste your prompt or stuff like this. Why you should do that? We can create agents. Let me show you. As you can see, this is my prompter. And if we open this TPS metrics, for example, there is some kind of text, a lot of formats, a lot of stuff, and it's complicated, it's hard to learn, and this is really, really complicated. So what we're doing here, we have my ChatGPT, and I connect Prostir into it. Hey Prostir, I want you to create an agent for TPS, and there is an entire website with specification. See, so we're going to copy paste that, go here for TPS format, right? I want kind of send script to you and you. Let's make it work. As you can see, I trying to create agents right now. I have ChatGPT, I connect Prostir into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT working on it. Meantime, also let's go to Prostir, and as you can see, I have my environment set up, and this is my agents. Like there is no agents at all right now because ChatGPT working on it. My ChatGPT speak Ukrainian. How cool is that? Do you speak Ukrainian? If not, maybe it's time to learn it a bit. What's going on here? A lot of Python stuff. Okay, seems it's done. Now I wanna connect it. Now I wanna connect. So, and of course it's a test application, a bit complicated to connect, but I also can publish it. So easy peasy. To connect that stuff, find this public link, but we need this one. See, we need this one, public link with /mcp. And then go to ChatGPT back, managed code, settings, applications, create application. Put that stuff here. TPS, technically that's all, right? No need any else anymore. Create. Okay, connect, yes. I want to add memory chat right now. Now it's connected. I have script, and this is just copy paste of my script, like make it as TPS. And we have our own agent who works inside your ChatGPT, inside your Claude, maybe Codex, whatever you want. And this thing doing exactly you wanna this thing do. While it works here, see, now we can see some kind of analytics about requests, how many requests happened, agents, some kind of insights, how it's perform. And technically this is a TPS right now. It's a TPS, but I can say, so this is my script for my next video. You have to just subscribe to see my next videos. I want it as MD TPS file or as Markdown. So see, obviously this is a problem. I'm going to, and this is an amazing example. It gives me result. I'm not happy about this result, so I have to switch back to my tested it And I don't like results because it just gives me the text, but I want it to be as like or as markdown text, like or every time. Or not, so I will copy paste. And now we need to adjust a bit. See, um, it's easy to do because now you know you can just try by yourself, think how it works, give a feedback, and this thing will fix for you everything. After this fixes, let's try do this one more time. Just go here, TPS, bam, I copy paste the same text, and now let's see what will be new result. And technically, so I'm doing just like in almost real time to see how it works. Immediately it's fixed. See, now it's a fully functional TPS formatted well. Huh? How cool is that? So you create your own agent without any knowledge about agents at all. You just did it, right? And now finally I can copy paste it, go to my prompter and new script, bam. And this is it. See, it's immediately create for me these blocks. Now I can read it. Now I can do everything you really want to do. And so we can practice a bit, which I don't want to. This is this one, right? YouTube long form. Yeah. So yes, yeah, this is my one. And just start to read it. See, bam. Let's start. See, and that's all. I built my own AI agent in literally several minutes. If you want to know more, subscribe. I'm going to build a lot of AI agents and I'm going to share a lot of links so you can try by yourself. Every time, so, see? How cool is that? I don't like the screen time. Not good. I have to fix it in my next version of that AI agent. If you want to build AI for your business, for your work, maybe you want to share your knowledges, maybe you want to share your experience, just subscribe and you get more updates. See you later.